Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make bread-veg sandwich at home, updated. Toast 2 slices of bread lightly. Spread chutney or mayo on each slice. Layer thin cucumber, tomato, onion, and lettuce evenly. Add sliced cheese or avocado if desired. Sprinkle salt, pepper, and chaat masala for zing. Press gently, slice diagonally, and serve immediately with ketchup or a side salad for a fresh homemade meal. Start by prepping everything on a clean board, so assembly is quick and tidy. Slice cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions thinly and pat dry with a towel. Choose spreads like mint chutney or mayonnaise, and apply thin, even layers to both bread slices. Layer ingredients starting with lettuce, then cucumbers and tomatoes to keep moisture away from bread. Add cheese or protein option if desired. Press lightly and cut to serve fresh and crisp. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can bring you more tasty ideas. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice you see here for a fresh ride that pairs well with snack runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you want to vary the sandwich, experiment with bread types and spreads to suit taste. Add boiled egg slices, paneer, or a smear of hummus for protein. Include pickles or roasted peppers for smoky notes. Consider melting cheese briefly for a warm version. Use herbs like cilantro or basil for freshness. Cut sandwiches into halves or quarters for easy sharing, and plate with chips or a small salad to round out a satisfying homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.